Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily Integrately tutorials. In today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Forms with Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically send all your form responses straight into Google Sheets, making it super easy to organize and track your data. Let's get started. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Google Forms as your trigger application, and then choose Google Sheets as the action application. Now let's build a custom automation. We'll set the trigger to responses created in Google Forms and the action to create spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Next, connect your Google Forms account. Select the specific form you want to use and continue. Then connect your Google Sheets account and choose the destination spreadsheet and worksheet for your new data. In the automation editor, set up the fields to map the data from your form to your sheet. Here, we are setting up a search for a name from the form. Once everything is mapped correctly, simply test and turn on your automation. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect Google Forms with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Stay tuned for tomorrow's automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.